In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a YouTube TV code to activate your account on a new device. This process is commonly used when setting up YouTube TV on smart TVs, streaming devices like Roku or Fire Stick, or gaming consoles. To get started, open the YouTube TV app on your device. If it's your first time using the app, you'll see a screen displaying an activation code, usually 8 characters long. Write down or remember this code. Next, grab another device like a phone, tablet, or computer and go to the website tv.youtube.com/activate in your browser. On the activation page, enter the code exactly as it appears on your TV or streaming device and click Next. You'll then be prompted to sign in to your YouTube TV account using your email and password. Once signed in, your device will automatically connect to your subscription and you're ready to start streaming. If the code doesn't work or expires, simply refresh the app on your device to generate a new one. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to enter a YouTube TV code, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.